that's that. Let's continue the tour. Come on this way, folks.
You're looking at the eighth wonder of the world, boy. Probably the ninth. Reckon. Sometimes you feel humbled by your own insignificance.
Tour's gone. Door's locked. She doesn't open until Monday. We're trapped.
Some might say that, boy. Some might just say, thank you.
Suppose you better call for help.
Don't know about you, but all this yelling's left me fair parched.
Shall we?
Good on you, mate.
Spades, pride of the South for over 125 years.
This could be the start of a whole new adventure, boy.
Reckon.